Good afternoon, everyone. I am excited to dive in today's topic, the digital transformations in Asia. Digital transformation refers to the process of integrating digital technologies into all aspects of a business, organization, or society, fundamentally changing how they operate and deliver value to customers or stakeholders. This transformation involves adapting to new digital tools, automating processes, leveraging data driven insights, and fostering innovation to improve efficiency, enhance user experiences, and stay competitive in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. It often entails shifts in culture, operational structures, and strategies to embrace a more agile, tech savvy approach. Digital technology is like a powerful wave that has reshaped our world, and Asia has been at the forefront of this transformation. We are going to explore how technology has impacted economies, cultures, and daily lives across the diverse continent. But before we start, think about the last time you used your smartphone or access an online service. How did it make your life easier or more connected? Keep these thoughts in mind as we explore how these technologies are transforming entire societies. Now, when we talk about digital transformation, we're not just talking about using computers or smartphones a little bit more, right? We are talking about a complete shift in the way entire societies, economies, and governments function, especially in Asia, where this transformation is unfolding at breakneck speed. It's like watching a futuristic sci fi movie, but it's happening right now in real time. Let's break it down a bit so it's not just some abstract concept. First off, the economic growth. Technology isn't just making things faster, it's pushing entire economies into overdrive. Think about how China and India, for example, have not just embraced digital technologies, but have used them to dominate sectors like manufacturing, e commerce, and even AI development. Companies like Alibaba, Tencent, or Infosys, these are game changers, right? They've turned their countries into global tech powerhouses almost overnight. It's like turbocharging their economies and leaving traditional industries in the dust. Now, on to social change. How we live, how we interact, and even how we think about ourselves are being reshaped by social media, mobile apps, and online platforms. Have you noticed how glued we are to our phones? In places like South Korea, the Philippines, and Japan, people aren't just using tech, they're living their lives through it. It's like the digital world is becoming an extension of the real world, and the lines are blurring more and more every day. And it's not just the younger generation, right? Look at how even older folks are jumping on TikTok, streaming, and online shopping. Lastly, governance and services. Now, here's where things get super interesting. Governments are no longer the slow moving giants we think of. Countries like Singapore and even parts of India are using digital tools to make government services smoother and faster. Imagine paying your taxes, getting a driver's license, or even seeing your medical records all at the click of a button. It's like going from a donkey cart to a bullet train. Governments are realizing that if they don't step up, they'll be left behind by their own people's expectations. So digital transformation is not just an upgrade, it's a total revolution. And Asia is right in the heart of it. So imagine a world where all your daily tasks, shopping, banking, even interacting with friends, are done online. So it's not science fiction. It's happening right now. And Asia is a major player in this digital revolution. China's digital transformation is nothing short of revolutionary. The e-commerce revolution, the Alibaba and JD.com have reshaped retail. For instance, Alibaba Singles Day is a global shopping event showing the massive scale of digital commerce in China. Picture this, a shopping festival that outpaces Black Friday and Cyber Monday combined. That is the scale of China's digital retail landscape. For digital payments, we have the Alipay and the WeChat Pay. They are now changing how people handle money, making cash almost obsolete. Think about how convenient it is to pay with your phone instead of carrying cash. In China, this is not just a trend, it is the norm. Smart cities. Projects like Smart Beijing and Smart Shanghai are integrating AI for better urban management. So imagine living in a city where traffic lights adjust based on real time data. So that's the kind of smart urban planning we're talking about. India's digital transformation is also notable. The Digital India Initiative. Now, this program aims to enhance digital infrastructure and literacy. Think of this as a massive digital upgrade project for the entire country. So it's like setting up a nationwide Wi-Fi network and teaching everyone how to use it. The fintech innovations. These are the revolutionary financial services. So imagine being able to pay for everything from your morning chai to your monthly bills right from your phone. That's what fintech is bringing to millions of Indians. The startup ecosystem. India's tech startup scene is buzzing with innovation in areas like health tech and edtech. So picture a startup that's making education accessible to remote areas with just a smartphone. That's the kind of impact we're seeing in India. Next, the South Korea. South Korea stands out for its technological advancement. For example, the 5G technology. South Korea is leading the 5G rollout, impacting everything from communications to smart cities. So imagine downloading an entire movie in seconds or controlling your home smart devices with zero lag. That's the power of 5G. Another thing is the tech-driven economy. Companies like Samsung and LG, they are global tech giants. Think of the latest gadgets you've seen. Chances are South Korean tech has had a hand in them. And let's talk about the digital culture, the influence of K-pop and online gaming. They showcases South Korea's vibrant digital culture. You ever watch a K-pop video or play the Korean game? That's the digital culture at work, blending entertainment with technology. While digital transformations bring exciting opportunities, they also pose challenges. First one is the digital divide. The digital divide highlights disparities in access to digital resources. Number one, urban versus rural. Urban areas often have better access compared to rural regions. So imagine trying to use a high-speed internet service in a place where it's barely available. And that's the reality of many in rural areas. The second one is the socio-economic disparities. Lower income groups may struggle to access digital tools. It's like having a smartphone but no data plan. Technology isn't useful if you can't fully access it. The next challenge is privacy and security issues. Privacy and security concerns are significant. Number one is the data breaches. Unauthorized access to personal information can lead to serious issues. Ever worried about your personal data being stolen? That's a real concern in today's digital world. The second one is surveillance. Increased data collection raises concerns about privacy and freedom. So it's a bit like having someone constantly watching over your shoulder. So, how do we balance security with personal privacy? And lastly, the cultural impact. Digital transformations also influence cultural practices. Number one, the global content. The influx of global digital content can overshadow local traditions. It's like global content is flooding in and pushing aside traditional practices. So, how can we ensure that local cultures still thrive? And another, apart from global content, is the one that we call the cultural exchange. So, while global platforms facilitate cultural exchange, they also risk cultural homogenization. Think of it as a melting pot where some unique flavors might get lost. So, how can we keep now our unique cultural identity while embracing global influences? Looking to the future, several trends will shape digital transformations. Number one, artificial intelligence or AI and machine learning. These technologies are driving innovation across sectors. So imagine AI helping doctors diagnose illnesses or creating personalized learning experiences. The possibilities are really endless. The second one is the blockchain technology. Blockchain can revolutionize industries through decentralized systems. Picture a system where transactions are transparent and secure without needing intermediaries. That's the promise of blockchain. And lastly, sustainable tech. Innovations aimed at sustainability will be crucial. Think of tech solutions that not only advance our capabilities but also protect our planet. So, how can we drive innovation while being eco conscious? So, as we wrap this up, let's take a moment to really appreciate the scale of what we're talking about here. Digital transformations in Asia aren't just shaping Asia, they are shaping the entire world in profound ways. Think about it. Countries like China, Japan, India, and South Korea are no longer just catching up with the West. In many areas, they're leading the way, and it's all driven by this digital revolution. We started with economic growth, and it's clear how much technology is driving that growth, supercharging industries, creating entirely new markets, and making these nations powerhouses in tech and innovation. Just look at how the tech scene in Asia is influencing the global economy. Whether it's 5G, AI, or the rise of tech giants like Alibaba, Samsung, Reliance Industries, Asia is pushing the limits of what's possible. And it's not just the big countries. Smaller players like Vietnam and Indonesia are also leveraging technology to punch above their weight. It's truly remarkable to see how much economic momentum comes from this advancement. Then we talk about social change. Technology has fundamentally altered how we connect with each other, how we consume media, and even how we express ourselves. It's a game changer for social interactions. Look at platforms like WeChat in China or Line in Japan. These aren't just apps. They're entire ecosystems where people manage their lives. And with the rise of influencer culture and social media in countries like the Philippines, the entire social fabric is evolving. So it's not just about selfies and status updates. Technology is giving people new platforms to express identity, share cultures, and even voice political opinions. But we also can't ignore the challenges and future trends that come with these changes. As governments and businesses embrace digital tools, they face huge issues like cybersecurity, data privacy, in the growing digital divide. Yes, digital transformation is making life more efficient, but it's also creating new gaps between those who have access and those who don't. Governments are racing to keep up with the speed of innovation, implementing digital services while also balancing regulation. Look at China's ambitious plans with digital currency or Singapore's Smart Nation initiatives. The future promises even more innovation, but with that comes uncertainty. Where will AI take us? How will automation impact jobs? How do we navigate the ethical dilemmas of data driven governance? So, looking forward, we see that the impact of technology is far reaching, shaping economies, societies, and governments in ways that are both exciting and complex. Asia's digital transformation is not just an isolated phenomenon. It's an essential part of the global story of how technology is changing the way we live. And while the possibilities are endless, it's up to us to make sure that this transformation benefits everyone, not just a few. Thank you, class, for your participation today. Remember, the digital world is constantly evolving. Stay curious and keep exploring how these changes impact our lives and societies. See you next time.